I'm Reet Sahu, Mrs. India International First Runner-Up 2012-13. I'm here to launch the Desire exhibition, which is promoted by Mrs. Anita Agarwal. I'm very excited to be here and launch this exhibition. As she's doing a great job, she's promoting women empowerment by putting up exhibitions and promoting the entrepreneurship. A lot of designers are participating from all over the world. 85 designers are participating from all over India. They are fashion designers, accessory designers, footwear, bag designers, and many more. I believe some children stuff is also being showcased there. This year, the exhibition is in Taj Krishna on 4th and 5th of September. So I look forward and I wish her all the best. And I believe that she'll grow every year and she'll bring more designers, promote them, and also offer a lot of shopping extravaganza to our ladies in Hyderabad. So all the best to you. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. I am the organizer Anita Agrawal. Today Reet Sahu came to launch my exhibition, and they are this time new designers are coming from all over India, and they are launching their products. They are very happy, and I am very thankful to my clients. They came and popular this exhibition. This is the #1 exhibition now in Hyderabad. So I am thankful to all my clients. And this is the 10th edition. 9th exhibitions are over, and this is the 10th exhibition. And next I am planning my exhibition after 10 days in Bangalore. So thank you so much.
About the exhibition. Yeah. I'm here to launch the Desire exhibition, which is promoted by Anita Agarwal every year in Hyderabad. I think she's doing a great by promote. Sorry. Yeah. My name is Reet Sahu. I'm Mrs. India International First Runner-Up 2012 and 13. I'm here to launch the Desire exhibition, which is promoted by Anita Agarwal in Hyderabad every year. She puts up this exhibition every year, thrice in a year, and I think she's doing a great job. It's like you're promoting a women entrepreneurship, and you're also empowering women because you are giving opportunity to so many women from all parts of India to showcase their talent. And it is also a good shopping extravaganza for all the women in Hyderabad. This time 85 designers from all over the India are participating. They are showcasing fashion, accessories, bags, and also children's stuff. So I think it's a whole package, and I think it'll be a great offer for all the women to come forward and have a great shopping experience. Thank you.
I am Anita Agarwal from Desire Exhibition. I am very happy to tell you that I am my next exhibition on 4th and 5th September at Taj Krishna Hotel on Tuesday and Wednesday. And this time new master designers are coming to launching their products first time in Desire. So all the clients will have to come, and I'm very thankful to my all clients and my visitors. They came and make helpful for me, so that I am doing 10th exhibition now. So these designers are coming from all over India. They are footwear, dresses, lifestyle accessories, fashion accessories, kids wear, and all home furnishing like that. So this is now this Desire is become a big brand in Hyderabad. So I'm very happy to do this exhibition. Thank you so much.
And I'm very excited to be a part of this exhibition, which is promoted by Mrs. Anita Agarwal. I'm here to launch the exhibition. I think it's a great work that she's doing, because she's not only promoting the women entrepreneurship, but it is like a step towards a women empowerment also, because you're giving a lot of women the opportunity to come forward and promote entrepreneurship and showcase their talent. Their talent in terms of fashion, in terms of fashion accessories, bags. So I think it's a great way of promoting the entrepreneurship, and it's a great exposure also for the other women to come to Hyderabad and do the business. This year, 85 designers are participating from all over India, and there are many new designers which are coming first time to showcase their products in Hyderabad. I think it's a great shopping experience for our Hyderabadi women, and a great shopping extravaganza. I think she's doing a great job, and this is the 10th edition of Desire Exhibition. She holds exhibition every thrice in a year, so it's like a lot of opportunity for Hyderabadi women to do a lot of extra shopping throughout the year. Thank you. When my name was announced as Mrs. India International First Runner-Up and Mrs. Hyderabad International, I just couldn't believe myself. Apart from just being there at the platform, it was a great responsibility, because you are representing your country at an international level where there are women of Indian origin from all parts of the world. But the responsibility lies on your shoulder when you are at an international level. So when they announced my name, I just couldn't believe it. And today also I feel that I'm living my dream. But I think it was the most life-changing experience for me, and I think it was the most memorable moment of my life, which has changed my life drastically. I would say that the competition was not that easy. Every round it was getting tougher. I was excited that I'm performing, but at the same time I was very nervous also, because as we are passing rounds and rounds, it was getting tougher. People are getting eliminated, and finally you have to reach it to the top 5 to make it to the top 3. So there was a lot of competition. There were mixed bag of emotions. I was nervous, but I was at the same time excited, and I was just performing by having this faith in me that yes, Reet, you have to do it, and you have to get back with the flying colors. Thank you.